Thinking of starting an aerospace business in Singapore? As a leading aerospace hub in Asia, Singapore offers a strong ecosystem for aircraft maintenance, aerospace manufacturing, engineering services, and aviation technology. An aerospace business may operate in areas such as aircraft maintenance, repair and overhaul, parts trading, engineering services, or aerospace technology solutions. The first step is to register your company with ACRA and clearly define your aerospace-related business activities. Next, regulatory compliance is critical. Aerospace businesses must comply with aviation and safety regulations, including approvals from the Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore. Depending on your operations, certifications, quality management systems, and safety standards may be required. Operational and financial planning are equally important. This includes facility setup, skilled manpower planning, supply chain management, capital investment, and tax structuring. Given the technical and regulated nature of the industry, strong governance and compliance frameworks are essential. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support aerospace businesses with company incorporation, regulatory guidance, tax planning, and ongoing compliance, helping you build a compliant and scalable aerospace operation.